Hello and welcome. You're watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Saurambai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. MDA celebrates International Day of the Deaf with sign language advocacy. Deacon Yone laid to rest with great solemnity. Shillong Book Fair 2023 to kick off on 27th October. And HSPDP commemorates death anniversary of Shri Hoping Stone. And now the news in detail. In honor of the International Day of the Deaf, celebrated under the theme, A World Where Deaf People Everywhere Can Sign Anywhere, the Meghalaya Deaf Association organized an enlightening program emphasizing the importance of sign language in communication with hearing impaired individuals. The event held at Police Bazaar brought together prominent speakers and advocates for the cause. Speakers at the event included Berthaji Khar, the Executive Director of Bethany Society in Shillong, Starwin Kharjana, President of the Khasi Disability Association, Wandanbok Jarwa, President of the Local Taxi Welfare Association in East Khasi Hills, BL Pakinten, Chief Guest and MCS Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities in Meghalaya, Shillong. During an interview with the media, Starwin Kharjana, President of the Khasi Disability Association, emphasized the critical need for individuals to learn sign language to facilitate communication with hearing impaired and mute individuals. He urged the government to employ personnel proficient in sign language across various government offices, recognizing that these offices are frequently visited by differently abled individuals.
Kajing temu jong kani ka program kabangi pelong mentak sini te kalong ba baro kibriu haka jelam Meghalaya kumju ini hi haka ri India ba ka pertai berkawai bakin tip ya kani ka sign language interpreter kaba kibriu kibaran juduna haka boryo sio kiba mla ban keren bat myo sio kiba khot deaf kata kalong ba kiwai ke imlang salang bat kibriu baro stulu ke kintip ke ya ka rukom keren jongki kata ka dei namar kane ka fi ka dei ru kata ka International Day of the Deaf
kilase komna kaliang
te ka jing ka bangi kendu ba ka dau ka bangi pelong ya kani program ru kalong ba ha kani ka jela jongi keren long ka jing ka bai ke kendu ba kalong ha kalik kawan teng-teng nilik dan kam haki office sarkar lada kitu kinong trei kimnang ya kasan te kong rajing yang ngimyo ya kai gabai han ni syong takasi te kum mga batay menne teng-teng udan de kibasutho ai kot kumtu da kikran ru lada ki kimnang kren haka jaga kibawa blok ni jaga badan ki kulit ru teng-teng ki driver kalalik lakalik no te kumta lese long kadei namar ba kasar karu kamdas pelik jimutan rengi so kuman bat de menta ba kasar kar ling ba katanat election nakapor jakapor ka ju aji hikaya kene ka sandang we interpretar kumju ru yaki police department man laki police station ru kala penkre baki iki kunong no we na ki pulit ude banang be yakane ka sangnai we kinang ba lada kini ki def ki wan ay kano ka jing ujol na ka jing na kunda jing don kam ki kalong bakin siutu ya ka ay ka bagi te long kumta nga ban khia ru ba kumno ba ka sarkar ka deban khmilem ba kan don bi unong penkelak tien haki office ki bakilik don kam ba kini ki bri ki beran juduna dukot met ki bam yo sno bam nangken kum ha office commissioner for person with disabilities ka office directorate of social welfare ka office deputy commissioner Baroki district ka office jong ka district social welfare officer Baroki district bat ka office child development project officer kini ki office ki dei baki bri ki beran juduna dukot met ki jutlek don kamba te ladak don nong penkelak tien ye ki bam yo sno bat bam kren kalau gaji mentoy bat kalong gaji rap ru ye ki habaki le don kam kala ru bat pendep ye kam ka ba ki temu tangki OH ki duna ki BI bat ki HI te kumta kani krostar te kemut ka penyiaran kat lang kan yang ni berok khoi te lese ngan tu ai nuksa ni don hang ne khasi jantia bat karo lada ngan cusim nuksa lada ka pus kala cispa tali kamut ngindon sangut lada ngindon sangut kamut kala ka kategori beningkong de BI kamut kala aban BI na khasi HI na karo kalau na OH na khasi MR na karo te kanwan hikum ta panda dakade ka roster ka baspa pon lesi la dakade bat de ka roster menta ka latang sanphau rupau te kamut kinyo so ki BI baki HI te hadin biang kin sawan bat de ki OH bat ki iwe ki kategori yo jam kat kum ki tip jongi hadu menta kiba ka sarkar ka ai kam ai jam ru kat kum ka bah 100% te ki kam dunaru kide kiba mi otno ber kiba mungkin kiba kot ki kategori HI hearing impaired te ngipet ka sarkar ru ka thung ba tang yakine ki lokomotor OH kiba duna kejat duna kti nomor beros kata ka thung ba tang kita nomor ba kasuk bakin kren ki osno kin pha aru ki osno te kumta da kejingwan kani ka roster system ni dokumen man marbangi ru beros kata ngi ale kumno bak sarkar ka deban menteri kami kani ka roster system te da kejingwan kani ka roster system ni kermen ba ki bri ki beran jiduna do khatmet def bat BI HI OH MR gitu kan wan da kajing ken be sarkar roster ka register kemut kini yo kamlang king baro ini kermen ba ha kajing penia ya kene ka roster system ru kan long kumba ni khmi lenti ba baro ki kategori ki bangidon sautli kategori te ki dei be ban yo kamlang ke long kat kum kajing tip jonga te 4 don tang balong ni dang yai kerpat kinang saradang da kajing pelong ya kene ka program long ba ka torkar kan sneu ya ka kajing penpriang jongi ba kane ka sang language interpreter kalong badan kamba
te nakaliang
jongi nyimpat don kata kajing banpa ndai yai kerpat dak tin tang bangilai I pade ya ki kamba ka torkar kalale namar bakala simkia kumbang onge bimta kala simkia hakitnat kulit hakatnat election te ngi kermen baki we pi kini kitnat ki banglajer ka teng bade kide ki bakham don kamba baka sarkar lakumno kade ban yele sitom so ya kini nang ba kiru kinyo ya ka jimtoy.
On September 26th, a somber and heartfelt ceremony took place as the body of Deacon Yone was laid to rest at St. Claret Seminary in Umsning. The solemn occasion was graced by the presence of Most Reverend Victor Lingdo, the Archbishop of Shillong Diocese, who presided over a poignant holy mass. Joining Archbishop Victor Lingdo were Father Piyush Shadam, the parish priest of Umsning Parish, along with several other priests, sisters, brothers, and a congregation of faithful parishioners. Together they gathered to pay their respects and offer condolences to the grieving family of Deacon Yone. This solemn ceremony was marked by a profound sense of loss, as Deacon Yone had tragically succumbed to dengue fever on September 25th. The echoes of mourning resonated throughout the burial site, a poignant reminder of the deep impact he had on the lives of those who knew him.
Nyonginget mau beli pang, nyinget mau Jesus Christ mampanim, nyinget yung muslim akuat, hakabarang akali akuat, hakakisul akuat, hakakitipat kedo, bak kejingem bom cekuat. Kumala kaya ni, iya leti sekejingem bom cekuat. Jadi ubikon, upara kami, ulapai sekane kejingem bom cekuat. Banlek pai sublei. Ulapai sekatong. Banyak leti banpoi sepening, banpoi sekecil bom cukup. Kredit kai kunjang. Terima kata, hari ini kamu siru, kamu keluar dari kamar, di dua akak. Isna ko ke tinu play sis boleh berkong barashim na ke kitab jingsta kalau susah yang Kalau nak kabaong, muslim kiruhot kita nak ijo play. Di muslim jo kiruhot kita nak ijo play. Dan tak orangnya bersama lo lendo bangun jo play si kenal. Kita tahu dan nak ijo play. Hot mak play ikon ba play kalau melawan yang ni kini 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 jo mo ko. Ni kami pak kita ni play. Yang ba ujuan hakiki jong play. Nama kita kali-kali kecil dengan yang kaya nasem bagian bay bay. O Deacon yo tebok NonTribal ujuan hakiki jong play. Nama kita ni terjam ho play, ni IT ho play. Kepada orang ka simply berentong. Mensim kiruhak tidak hakiki jong try.
Was born on 2nd December 1994 at CH village under Peit parish. His father is Sri Dinesh Lindo Rinkam and mother is Srimati Klothilla Nankla. He has two brothers and one sister. Io did his elementary schooling in his own native village. He studied class 5 to class 10 at St. Francis Assisi School, Mokosia. After his matriculation, he joined here in this St. Claret Seminary, Umsni, in 2012. After his class 12, he was sent to do his BA cum philosophy studies at Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. After that, he joined the novitiate at Kamilaram, Bangalore in 2018. He made his first profession on 31st of May 2019. Then he did his regency here in this same minor seminary for 1 year, 2019 and 20. Then he had his theological studies at Orient's College with his residence at Claret Villa, Malay, our study house, from the year 2020 to 2023. He was a studious, creative, and always wanted to score the best note in all his endeavors. He made his perpetual profession on 31st May 2023. He was ordained a deacon on 24th June 2023. After that, he went to the Diocese of Dipu for his diaconate ministry. He was helping the parish priests and the people, especially in teaching the children in the school at the parish of Holy Cross, Langkambo, hardly 3 months. Meanwhile, he got sick and tested dengue fever positive. He was admitted in the mission hospital in Dipu on 20th September. The doctor in the hospital was in a positive note that he improved his health in 2 days' time. Yo really found fine and healthy and normal. And so he joined the recollection along with the religious sisters in the community of the hospital. There he made his confession. It seems that he was given the input and he really prepared himself on what is to come.
Kamu lang ha.
The National Book Trust India is gearing up to host the Shillong Book Fair 2023 in collaboration with the Department of Arts and Culture and the Education Department of the Government of Meghalaya, which will run from September 27th to October 3rd. The Shillong Book Fair, often known as the Abode of Clouds, will showcase a diverse collection of books featuring works by local authors and regional literature in various genres. Attendees can immerse themselves in the cultural tapestry of Meghalaya and the Northeast through literature. In addition to its literary offerings, the Shillong Book Fair will feature cultural performances that add vibrancy to the event. Over 50 stalls by prominent publishers from across India, including the National Book Trust India, will exhibit a wide range of books in English, Khasi, Garo and other Indian languages, emphasizing Meghalaya's literature and regional diversity.
Schools from the side of the school education department. It is up to them how many will be able to come, but I can see that by sharing of the dates and the schedules, it has created quite a bit of excitement. So we hope that it turns into footfalls also and many students will come. To give a number is very difficult. Actually, it's a test case for us also. After a good gap of 7-8 years, we are going to have a book fair. We've had so many fairs. We have expos, we have rock fest, we have cultural fest, and there's a huge crowd. So it's a test case for us to see after 7-8 years when we are having a book fair in Shillong, actually how many people, how many students, how many children, how many youth will come. So that will give us a very good idea of what we need to do to promote the love of book reading or this habit among students. Very well, we have already shared now that there's going to be a Shillong Book Fair. If I am not mistaken, this Shillong Book Fair is happening after a gap of 7-8 years. Post-COVID, this is the first book fair on such a large scale which is happening in our state, in Shillong. And we are very proud to be associated with this book fair with National Book Trust. The planning for it has started way back, several months back, and a lot of hard work has gone into it, both from the side of National Book Trust and also from the side of the state government. We are also very delighted that, as Mr. Malik has just said, it's not just a book fair, it's much more than a book fair. There will be, I think, cultural items, there will be competitions for our youth. We hope that there will be a lot of participation from the schools, from the colleges, and there will be a host of various activities which will be centered around the book fair. From the side of the state government, we have partnered with them, with the National Book Trust, have collaborated with them with the hope that book reading, which was like, it was a passion several years back, decades back, that is slowly losing out. I'm not saying it's dead or it needs to be revived, but slowly losing out thanks to the kind of digital craze we have and we are glued to our digital screens. So one of the most crucial things that we want to do through this book fair is send across a message that book lovers are still there, they are around, and they need a very good platform by which they can come, they can share, and they can buy books. So this is that forum and this is that platform that Shillong had been looking for a very long time. And in these 7 days, we hope that there will be a lot of participation from the youth, from the children. It is hoped that children will come from schools, the youth will come from colleges, and they will buy books, they will discuss about books, there will be book reading sessions, there will be various types of competitions which will be very nice. So all in all, it will be a youth-centric and child-centric book fair which will happen, and from the side of the state government, whatever support we were asked for, we have been more than happy to provide, and we also hope that in these 7 days there will be a very good coverage from our friends from the media to showcase that Shillong book lovers are still very much there. I think there has to be a sense of competition also. I hear from Mr. Malik that in various places there had been a surge of people, crowds have come in Leh, in Lucknow, on the banks of the Gomti. So I've seen those visuals, and in my heart I have a secret desire that the Shillong book lovers should be able to beat that crowd. So that is the hope and prayer with which we once again collaborate with the National Book Trust for this Shillong Book Fair, and we thank the National Book Trust to plan for our stage, for our city, and we hope that this book fair will be an outstanding success in all its 7 days. Thank you very much.
On September 26th, the leaders of the Hill State People's Democratic Party HSPDP gathered to commemorate the 8th death anniversary of Mr. Hopingstone Lyngdoh, a distinguished advocate for a full-fledged state and a former MLA of Nongstoin. The solemn celebration took place at Langpi Market, where they paid their respects by garlanding his memorial plaque, which was installed by Hima Raitmansao in Langpi Market. Among the notable attendees at the event were KP Pangyang, the president of HSPDP, Methodist Dakar, MLA of Maushindot constituency, Pan Borlang El Rentathiang, General Secretary of HSPDP, Martle N. Mukhem, MDC and Senior Vice President of HSPDP, Badariti Lyngdoh Nonglan. Also present was Hindro Samakha, the niece of Mr. Hopingstone Lyngdoh, who shared in the collective remembrance. Each of these distinguished individuals expressed their profound gratitude for Mr. Hopingstone's tireless dedication to serving the people as a representative in both the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly and Assam. His enduring legacy continues to inspire those who follow in his footsteps in advocating for the betterment of the region.
Nagaliang bacungi kum kaparti ngasoban ong bakadai kasingi kaba tham kerpang namar kum kaparti HSPDP but kum kaparti ngi rakhe ya kane kasingi ya ki artlik banta kawai ka banta ka bangi rakhe kalong bangi ken mau don buram ya kasingi kacing khladno jong u nong seng u nong dang jong kaparti HSPDP kabar pede ngi rakhe pendon buram ya kane kasingi kacing khladno jong une ure orang ba kasingi jong kacing khladno jong u khlawat dane uta uriu ijri u bala le sitom ban penyo ya kane kacela kacungi tingi don arbenta kabangi rakhe kum kaparti ya kane kasingi bani sokmen bani sotanan ba une uri orang ba uba kacela Meghalaya barok kawai ki thu khana bat kacela barok kawai ka buram bat ka kanmau e jung uri orang ba une uri orang ba ubalakha bat ubalahe alasan hangne hapo west
Sedang banlong unong yalam pajba kumu MDC bat kumu MLA ngadang luang tangu kena jeblok u berang yele kai hangi adau sao mum patip ni cingcek dia ya ke rum patip de ngayo banyak kendo kuma ikin hado usnam siacar kendai spa prabu pra kumunom ikmat tendai swai kataro yile kendo labon semba namar ba wala dengan long nom ikmat uma hoping ndai banga itu udah wai naki nong yalam jongkeri u barung kecing berkat bat kecing sucan jonga hapok kadonut kemesim ya
Samtip ka ay gini. Rendren daya keren pat mentah ni dah. Daya ketul ke baki ya keren gini. Kebab penlong. Yang am. Bat ya ki wei pat. Ki reurung ba. Ki nong yalam. Hakari. Batin snow ki so chan. Batin brom. Ya umai hoping stone. Undau. Marielong unang mikmat. Kon persa trong mai hoping mentai ong. Bao mahe wan lengang silengan. Ban wan di sya haying trong mai hakatu ko. Dulu mai itu nama ngaru basong marweng. Wait, naki wei kam ki bodan. Saki wei pat ki cika. Bodan ni Shillong upon. Ila like por. Ila like por. Kasi kung taman ka po. Banyasong, ngong em de like por ingan sawan mga sapi. Siya yung sapi. Nani unirang ba?
In a horrifying incident that has shaken the community, a woman in eastern West Khasi Hills district from Lomdam was sexually harassed by a non-tribal individual who deceitfully claimed to possess healing abilities. The victim sought assistance for a snake bite but became the target of sexual harassment while under the guise of medical treatment. The victim's plight came to light when leaders of the NonTribal Youth Council HYC Northwest Khasi Hills district were informed of the incident. Expressing their concern and determination to address the situation, members of the HYC promptly visited the scene and met with the victim to assess the gravity of the situation. In response to the incident, the HYC initiated the removal of non-tribal individuals residing in the region of Lomdam. The HYC leader strongly condemned the actions of the fraudulent individual who exploited the woman seeking medical attention. They have issued a stern warning to the residents, urging them to exercise caution and discretion when dealing with non-tribal individuals in the region, emphasizing the potential negative impact on the entire village.
HSPDP berkenika sengi pemerintah ni dap komsim habang yo sngo ya ka e ka ba ilong kami la ya thu hangi ni keren na basai ba ki khot yo ja bru jongi kinam de ban bit ya kum kini kenja pui ai mar kini kidon ya ka jadu ka ba pher ha ban penjot ya ka long thei ki jongi jong ki ja bru ki jongi na ka ta ka daw nga pha ka khubor sabaro ki khot yo ka ja ban rew bagi de ban sen ya kum kini ki poiwer ka ban na ki wei pat ki ja ka ki ban le mentor ha kini ki ja bru ki jongi kum kita kinong penduai kinong pensumar henry hapo gejong ka de kidon ni kejemut ke basneo bara kaju ke poru ba kanung dap ke mesim bangi pharu saboro kumba ong mene ngi pharu saboro ki malik ki badi kinong penjot ki kemai maryang nang ni sakmat kinong bitsu ban pha uweiru upoiwer ban wan belakit nong hakani kabri jong nyotrap lani khamtam e hakani ke distrik ke jongi lada ngilap e ke bukum kita pinsai tengku akan ngono por bat ni la dalong kat balong jia kat bajia na kaliang kejungi ru ban jia hadung ni put nginum syak dalai leru bat la keren ru da basai long kat balong jia kat bajia ngin IT la de na ka banta ka bha kamiat ka pateng long breu ikan thai satti ju kejak breu kejungi tang ni kitin ku blisibon te hak widi bat ka ni semi bomenta na kaliang jong HSPDP Northwest Khasi Hills district hadin ba ngilay yo jing tip ba kini gidakhar be wan nag du umtai na po Nepal iwan hakani ke jaka ke jongi ban penjot ya kami maryang ba hakaju ke por ba kini gidakhar ngli i la slam ba ngilay yo jing tip begini gidakhar kidon hakini ke jaka ba yo jing tip ru badon ki khasi ke jongi ke bakdup kini gidakhar ba nang taru don kini ki malik dakhar ki ba kiba don bentalang bat kini ki khasi ki jongi kibani penjot yang ni memeriang hakani ka distrik ke Jongi. Ti gumta hadin ba ka HSPDP Northwest Kasihil district kabla yo jingtip. Den ba ka funkor nag paradkhot nang ni na po lumdam HSPDP nang ni na po lumdam unit ngilawan hiar menta kasngi namar ngila yo jingtip ru. Badon uwi udkhar ba jerong kti jerong kejat. Ya iwi naki para kanthai ki Jongi ibade na ka jai beru new trap ki Jongi na kata kadau kamsim Jongi kamla mansya kalahiar dala dehi lai kenta kanthi ngila yat kejat nang du entai po na po dam hadu kini ke jeka bagi poi kini ke jeka bomenta bangla penheru ikini ki khar syakala ka jonggari tenadu mentahi ngamana iwi piwi i khot jong kejat beru new trap ki Jongi kiba don bentah kani kam ai kiba don bentah kani kam banya penjot yang kami meriang sungai bahasa ngeno ban nakaliang ke Jongi ngin sesimru dagawi kalat kanti ban ujor syaka forest department bat kumju syaki himanong klau bakan isim kan bekrat yakum kini kidkhar kibalong kinong penjot ya kani kejap beru ke Jongi namar bang ilayo jitip nak por syaka por baus im Jongi juong bangim jusya ya kepoi wir kepoi hap bikin poi hakani ke jaka ke Jongi kham tamban penjot ya kum kini memeriang ma play i kala ya seng snong set seng tau hang ni kan teli syuk kiing kidon hang ni tenak kata kadau kila warak bat kun bat kti kila ri bas yar kila ri bas niang hakani ke jaka tenak kata kadau nadu menta kasngi ong ba ngam kwa syu ban i kini kidkhar hakani ke jaka ke Jongi lara ngidang jo jingtip begini kidkhar kidon gidang poi hakani ke jaka ngriar khambun ban bekrat dak operation sendan bingin kerwet kat basya kam namar ba teng lingi kren daktin bursin kim sengap teng ru dan ban kini gi para khasi ke Jongi kibeyo jeng mentoy ni kini khar ban penjot ini memeriang hakani ka beri new trap ke Jongi kile persyak ban yakum kini yang kum yangi ki kunhun seng balang kiba don ke jingtu ka ba na benta kari ba ke jai beru bat na pateng na ka benta ka pateng jo ke jai beru hi bor goi lisibon.
On the 26th September, family members and the residents of Lauburtun discovered a dead body which is identified to be the man who sexually assaulted the school girl who was on her way to school on the 19th of September. After the incident, the police conducted a continuous search operation for the accused. However, on this day, the lifeless body of the man was found in a ditch near a farm which belongs to the elder sister of the accused. Speaking to the media, the sister informed that while she was out to collect some corn in the field, she came across a pungent smell, and on following the strong odor, she found a dead body. To make matters worse, the body was of her brother's lying motionless and still. The police arrived in the scene to do the needful, and the incident was suspected to be a suicide case where the man resorted to self-destruction and hung himself.
Kerteng kam na parapi. Mana? I kerteng kam na i. Commonwealth. Pi. Kau na man kasni pi wan tre hang ni kam.
Manta ram sabut ti tayu ram mon pre na dugo. Jau no para ni wa tre re.
Tena dum na ja parapi.
Na du men ti ba ar la tayu mta.
La tayu.
Kalau si awat ni kelang. Dia mta ya kong hang ong ni ya le pek. No. Kasi hawa lung ong ya le pek ni kadem. Na lawan ne ka wan gaji semua. Wan gaji semua tu saya le ni umpan ta.
Tapi masin la film na.
Lem no teng saya siap kunai no. Siap kunai yin. Punya smart kun pak kunai yin. Ong balalap ya madeng.
Beli ka daw i phat ni yin dan.
Sipres. Ka daw yin. Kan pihak dia kau saja menor.
Dia ia mai idan kun kan ngat.
Dah senyum.
Dia beli kami so berkelok na.
Lagi tayu na. Tayu tip ni so berkelok. Dia ulah lagi belah, warna daka belah. Wan hayin.
Hak men sendiri wan hayin.
Lah, tayu lah dan nak wan hayin. Kalau wan hayin ka. Step ya kecil mangi undan siu hayin. Tentang step lo mi. Tengi chi mai ni na ong kanong madang ong dan siu hayin la lek kanong tip. Tentang si thang ni pak. Ngaba. Lak lumar ka. Nak sul. Tak ada lagi wat ni. Karena itu masalah ya wat. Ya kacang dengan kasih bawah.
Tekabut. Phidong wan iru hadam.
Wan tahil apa yang akai tu hadam teh sendiri.
Phidong ta arun.
Tang abras kun. Kawan kajing semua.
Kalau beje try piwan.
Harai si
Satu way. Dia kai don poi nai. Kai beje poi ni namar kayi ngah hajan jing jing. Kai khatui beje na wan ni.
In a joint operation, the Federation of Khasi Jantia and Garo People FKJGP and the Shillong Municipal Board took action today against non-tribal shops operating without proper licenses along the bustling Keating Road in Shillong. During the operation, it was discovered that a significant number of shops lacked the necessary trading and labor licenses. In response, the FKJGP and municipal authorities temporarily shuttered these establishments until the proprietors provide the required documentation. Speaking to the media, B. Lingdo, the president of Malki Circle, stressed the importance of such checks in areas with a significant non-tribal population.
Kedanan information kelayu pengelawan sudah bunyi ke belakang nak kadawi tenang ni semua ngina sembet yang awai akan surprise besar
dan boh oi orang ba kajingkang jukan di bagian keram ni orang ba negaliang gitukan kimban sa biak dalam kanti kemudian negaliang jungi di tempat municipal ada bercipta orang ketiga kini license semua kita bisa license di ba municipal ka issue ni Peit bon ni bon ki level license kimban level license dan ki business license so kimbiang kemudian nang ni smart mun kepat ida department hukum municipal kini bercipta orang ketiga tapi ibu dari lomba lomba buat kata municipal ke depan bakal don kata kajing guna besar kajing keduk besar dia kakam kau boleh balik dan dapat cek bah dia kalau bukan generate harap ni kata kata gawe ke bentar ke bah tangi di bentar ibah kita no mau kan kibun ki dukan ni bamdang license kata revenue kan keduna baik balala ya gekren bawa gi dah Shillong bah municipal kata revenue ni ka keduna baik kamtama kamtama by day ta jikli na kaliang babok so ba nasuyahat kata marni juyo snow aba ipai sa ka ya ka Shillong Municipal Board na ba kan penbiang ya ka umbam ko undi ki street lights lani kinu gijung kam ki by day baka ha ang jurisdiction baka Peit maka yo so baka juut bet nakapor sa kapor ba kam judon pisan marat kenduk ba gaday no covid andai pat kani ka pelong kai ka ba ya si ka ban pengyo ka revenue ya ka department ba kila balik si kini namar kat kum ka terms and condition hapo ka Shillong Municipal Board ni iba kanug ki establishment
kiba sang na kiba penyeng klem da yo ya ka license naka Shillong Municipal Board kin hap ban siu ya ka fine kaba san pau tingka singi ti lada ka municipal si naka snam ka wan ban check ya ini ki business license kani kan perlong kai pon wanra ka revenue ya ka department ba state di berboy
Ako cikram ka sekali pun yang kita sampai kiba kita renew ya ka license kita pindah Islam yo ka jinglap
katum ka jinglap ni bun ba ki dukan kiba ki renew nadu snam arjar sipau onrei ki register nadu arjar sipau onrei pat ki kham renew so hadu umni snam ba mantabat ni kat kum ka terms and condition ma po municipal board ni ka yase ka bu tang i fine barit ba kaba kibu ya kita ba kham renew kibu tang sanspa tingka ha snam
Inilah benong begini di bar lagi ba kamai ini di ba ini bukan ini kamu di pelibian di peribian
ha ki lesi ki ni ki barzla ki bawan sini lesi ki pelibian lesi kenturu nakaliang kadai kamram kejongi kum kaseng ke Peit ya ka ba kamiat jong jat benriu di bangin wanlang bangin cek bat nila nakaliang ka malki circle gidan lang ni na di president secretary bat lesi nakaliang ka jongki so bangin wan sini i ba tlatho kila ada jing tho sai CEO bat ni CEO ila batha ya ki officer jongi bakin wanlang ini ka joint inspection bat ani kasi ngiso ba kalong ka ka bajop ka ba ngila lapsai kita ka jing tuko ha kani ka ba kini kidukan kide ban renew ya ki license lane ki donru ki baran illegally ya kini kidukan
pi ka municipal ka jiong bai kat bai sino kasi jingi ki stonat ban wan ban check ban ayu kat bah ni pat encouragement ka bun ba pi ka dik wi kan ka lada pi check selansar kan wat check nei kasi wat check na sino taw jingi ha pi check kini jaka bali pi tim si kini jaka pinwan lada dumwan ringi sempalang lada dumwan ringi kamut syai ka lawai jingi gandan pi ka sakawai ka pangandong pi kini dukan kita dukan kawaning kini ala pidan license kena kasih di bendan man kui dukan kalong kum kalat akam jam ya ki kena kasih wa ki balik mekanik ni balik yu beri kena kasih ji kum duna show ka jingnang jingkot ka bor bentri mekanik tingko ba hakani jaka kan jinit implement kan nam taki future yu ji.
Early today, on the 26th of September, a vehicle with the registration number AS01BP2426 was severely damaged in an unexpected mudslide incident that occurred in Patharkhama Ribhoi district. According to local sources, the incident unfolded at approximately 3 p.m. when a sudden mudslide and the collapse of a tree took place, posing a threat to parked vehicles, including the one bearing the mentioned registration number. Fortunately, no casualties were reported and none was injured during the incident. In a commendable display of community solidarity, residents of the region swiftly came together to mitigate the situation. They mobilized efforts to clear the road by chopping down trees and removing the mud, thus preventing a potentially severe traffic jam in the area. The Ribhoi District Sports Association RBDSA inaugurated the highly anticipated Ribhoi League 2023 on September 26th amidst great excitement and fanfare at the Umsning Patarim football ground. The event witnessed the presence of esteemed dignitaries, including Ransom Sutanga, President of Maukhar Sports Club Shillong, who graced the occasion as the chief guest, Rocky Kalla, Chairman of Umsning Town Dorbar, and R.B. Shadat, President of RBDSA, H. Walang, Deputy Commandant of the 6th Battalion, K. Nong Seth, in charge of Umsning Police Station, members of RBDSA and enthusiastic onlookers from the community joined the event, showing their support for the league. The opening match of the tournament held between Umkei Sports Club and Maukhar Sports Club proved to be a nail-biting affair. Both teams displayed remarkable skills and determination, with each side managing to score 1 goal during the first half. The excitement continued in the second half as both teams found the back of the net once again, resulting in a thrilling 2-2 draw.
Oh, sana. Jobi.
Meneh nakaliang jong ka Umsning Sports and Cultural Club. Bat kumjuru nakaliang jong ka RBDSA. Kani ka tournament ka bangid don mentaus nam. Kat kum kijing tip, kat kum kijing soto jongi ngidon riu pesau teli ki team ki bai sim menta ha kani ka General League jong ka riboy mo district. Bat kumjuru la soto ba ka RBDSA kidon kum basis pak tam ki team kiba la affiliate bat ka RBDSA kan ban affiliate sis pak tam ki team bat kum juro ban yo ban simentan riu sautali kam tam ka ni General League kalong kai ka kam ka bakrau kam tam naga benta ka RBDSA ban yo riu sautali kinong simenta ki team nagisnong iba per nagi club ki ba per kalong kai ka bakrau. Bat hagan ni kapor nakaliang jonga ko balaong maneh ba ngan ayro kakti kamon kakti kadiang kaway kalong namar ba lapan sngo maneh bangaro ngalalong unong snong jong ka Umsning proparbi ngadon gaying hangtay ngiyasa man ka por ngiyawan sathan ribhoy barok kaway bat ban kentiu ya ka jingile kai sports kalau benda yang football ni ginog disiplin kalong baik bangin nyai lengba ke RBDSA namar kani ke association kamangi imenta kani ke association ka ba la stable kani ke association ka ba la iba bangin kentiu ya ke jingile kai sports ha ka than jongi shani sharib hoy da ke jingi trailang ngakremen skam kumang leo so mene kumjo na ka Umsning Sports and Cultural Club kini ki don ki assets Henry ngimla apa de ban penbai kini assets ki bangi ngidon namar balai ba umdan bayo i jengai namar kata ko mulai oslowi ke jingkret mene na irang ba RR makdo iong ba kani kede ka kam ka babha ha kanu ka jaka ha kanu ka bangi ngi tray ngidai ban tray na du ka mensim ngidai ban tray kat ka jingla ka jongi bat na ka bor ka jongi bat ka donru ka jing pen kan mau yang i wei pu wei ka mo ong kum ni ba ki e ki ba bha ki e ki ba don buram ki e ki ba itnat tongin ya perto ye kita kata ka dei kaktin ka bang kwa ban pensgo kamtam yakini ki ba shimenta ha ka ne ka general league jongka football tournament jongka ribhoy.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until meet again, thank you for watching.